Welcome to the InformAven AI Update, a podcast for higher education administrators to discuss the practical use of AI and intelligent agents. I'm JD Mosley-Matchett, the founder and CEO of InformAven.ai. And this month, our guest is Dr. Joseph Levy, Associate Vice Provost of Accreditation and Quality Improvement at Excelsior University. To hear the entire interview, please visit InformAven.ai. Tell us about your experiences with AI.
For me, I will first say that there are so many other people way more informed and experienced with AI than myself, but I know enough to be dangerous, and I certainly have been exploring a lot of tools and easing my way into the use of it. I'll say that it can be a little overwhelming to figure out what to do, how to use it, but for me, it's just been really helpful to try different tools, find ways in which it's being beneficial and helpful for me, and hearing from colleagues of what's useful. And so specifically, I've been using it for reviewing some data, helping summarize data and seeing what that summary looks like compared to what my manual summary looks like, as well as I do a good amount of coding for data analysis and making scripts to automate reports. And it's been just an incredible resource to help solve some particularly confusing or intricate coding issues where I want the data to be cleaned and formatted a certain way, and what I did didn't quite work. I used to have to scour discussion boards and look at all these different ways of similar projects that I have to modify for my purpose, and that used to take me so long, and now I can just type in and even share my code, and not only will it tell me what to do, but give me the exact code personalized to my data set to run. So by and large, that's where I've been leveraging it the most is around coding and to help with my reporting. But I've also been using it for helping summarize and tease out themes in information, to also validate as almost like a second brain, right? Of, I read through these things and these were the takeaways I had. Let me do a quick check. I put this through AI and see what themes it pulls out. And oh, good, we're aligned of we caught these things, or interesting, they pulled out this piece and I hadn't thought about that. So I've been easing my way into it, but certainly leaning on the strengths and aspects that have been benefiting me so far.
Please visit InformAven.ai to hear the entire interview.